The storm is just beginning. She's here for one reason, and she won't miss. The storm was relentless, but I had to reach the cabin before dark. It was my only chance for survival. When I step into the ring, I never miss my target.
Prepare yourselves.
Even in the deepest winter, life finds a way. She gently dried the newborn, hoping it would survive the night. And so, wrapped in the warmth of the hearth, the mother and calf found their refuge. All was finally calm. Step into the ring. When I strike, I never miss my target. Keep it burning! Without this heat, we won't last the night. Not out here. They say revenge is a dish best served cold. Around here, we like it boiling hot. There's nothing quite like a hot drink to chase away the winter chill. The fire calmed the storm within her, offering a brief respite from the endless battle. So much for relaxing. Looks like the blizzard finally reached the perimeter. We need to check the defenses. The storm raged outside, but the real danger lurked beneath the ice. It was only a matter of time before we had to face it. I'm Mira, and I never miss. Get ready for the show! That should keep the chill out. Whatever's waiting for me outside, I'm ready for it now. They said I wouldn't make it. But even in this storm, I won't miss my shot. In this frozen world, only the strong survive. And Mira K-pop never misses. You must be freezing out there, big guy. Let's get you warmed up. In the quiet warmth of the barn, they found a moment of unexpected peace. When the beat drops, the fight begins. She won't miss. Then a soft moo sound and the quiet sound of a cow lick. The warmth of the home relies on careful preparation. These birch logs will burn cleanly through the night. Quickly. I never miss a shot or a swing. Out here, precision is everything. One cut at a time. I won't miss. They said it couldn't be found, but the tracking signal is clear. Time to dig deep. With a cautious hand, Mira reached into the void, drawn by a light she couldn't explain. The little one was nearly frozen, but the warmth of the fire and a gentle touch brought it back from the brink.
It's okay, shh. You don't have to be scared anymore. I won't let anything hurt you.
With careful hands, Mira dried the newborn, ensuring its survival against the cold mountain air. The storm may rage outside, but within these walls there is only peace. And sometimes, even the fiercest among us needs a quiet moment by the fire. They are safe here. Sometimes, the greatest strength is found not in fighting, but in the quiet moments of peace we share. I told you before, I won't miss. Get ready for the show! Even with her busy schedule, Mira never missed her morning chores, ensuring the livestock were cared for. We found shelter from the storm together. Rescued from the snow, the little lynx found warmth by the fire and a protector in Mira. Even in the deepest winter, warmth can be found in the smallest of hearts. In this frozen wilderness, only the strong survive. I won't miss my target. They know I won't miss.
Next log.
The snow falls silently, but the fire must burn brightly. Each log is a promise of warmth. A moment of unexpected connection, proving that even the fiercest among us can be gentle. Even in the harshest winter, warmth can be found in the most unexpected connections.
Even the fiercest warriors need something soft to hold on to when the snow falls. It's all right, little one. You're safe with me now. Found you just in time. Rest up. We've got a long way to go, but you're safe now. You're safe now, little one. Get some rest. Safe and sound by the fire, the little one sleeps. These quiet moments. You're safe now, little one. Just dream sweet dreams by the fire. Here in this cozy corner, surrounded by warmth and soft golden light, was a haven from the winter world.
Mira always started her day with a moment of quiet reflection, savoring the warmth before the next adventure.
See how eagerly he eats. It's the simple joys like this that truly matter, offering warmth and companionship.
Even in the quietest moments, Mira found joy in caring for the gentle creatures of the barn. Every morning, rain or shine, Mira made sure the flock was fed. It was a simple task, but an important one.
Mira K-pop gently grooms a sheep, her hand brushing its thick wool. The sheep stands calmly, enjoying the attention.
This sanctuary is a testament to the care we provide. All creatures are safe here. Look at you, all warm and cozy. You really are the softest thing in this old barn, aren't you?
The bond between Mira and the ancient snow sheep was a sight to behold. Even in the heart of winter, Mira ensured every creature was warm and safe. The snow sheep, often wary of outsiders, found only peace in Mira's presence. Even a star needs to unwind sometimes. Mira found peace in the most unlikely of
Style that slays and moves that always hit the mark. Ready for action. Quiet satisfaction. When I set my sights on something, I won't miss. Close up on a single chicken, its bright eye blinking curiously. It pecks at a grain of feed. Its movement when Mira K-pop is on the case, she won't miss a beat. Not even feeding the chickens. Get it! Oh, look at that wiggle. You're so close, come on, jump! Who's a playful kitten? Yes, you are. Get the toy. Welcome to the show. I never miss my target.
After all the fighting, this quiet moment is everything. I wish it could last forever. A healthy coat keeps them warm, even when the winds blow cold across the peaks. In the quiet warmth of the stable, their bond was a silent promise of trust and adventure. In the heart of the deepest winter, even the smallest kindness can forge the strongest bonds. The bond between them was immediate, a quiet moment of trust amidst the hay.
Here, surrounded by them, I finally understand what home truly feels like. A quiet moment before the storm. In the heart of the frost, this fire is everything. It keeps the cold out. This is almost ready. And trust me, when I'm done eating, I won't miss. Let's go.
Even the most formidable warriors need a moment of peace. Here, amidst the glow of the hearth,
They call me the queen of the stage. And trust me, I won't miss my shot. Let's go! You thought you could hide from the winter storm, but trust me, I won't miss. To master the cut, you have to become the Nif. Speed and precision are everything. Almost ready. Just a little more stirring to make sure it's perfect for my little monsters. She's the rising star of the circuit, and when the beat drops, she won't miss. With the evening drawing in, Mira always made sure her companions were fed first. The stew was a welcome comfort after a long day. Even the swiftest warrior must master the delicate arts. Precision in the field means precision with the needle.
The warmth of the fire and the rhythm of the needle. A moment of calm concentration before the next challenge. A testament to skill and dedication, this neatly stitched fabric reflects the care she puts into maintaining a humble life. There is a harmony to be found in the quiet moments, a balance between the effort of creation and the comfort of rest. Curled tightly by the stove, the little lynx dreamt of spring, safe from the winter winds outside. You really thought you could keep up with me? Better luck next time. Step aside, watch this. When I strike, I won't miss. Let's go! If you think you can keep up, sorry to tell you, but I won't miss a single beat tonight. In this tranquil barn, Mira created a safe haven for all creatures, big and small. The cold outside calls to me. It's time to face the blizzard and finish what I started. I won't miss. Sometimes, the greatest comfort is simply returning to the light, to the warmth of home. He sleeps so soundly. It reminds you that even in our world, there is still peace to be found. I'm Mira, and I never miss a beat. Let's dance. Tim to heat things up. I never miss. Stylized, digitized, and ready for action. You know my name, and you know I won't miss. They thought the cold would stop me. They clearly underestimated what I'm capable of. Time to move.
Here, nestled deep within the winter landscape, the cabin stands strong, offering comfort against the cold night.
As the harsh winter fades, balance is restored to the mountains. Even the most unlikely travelers find peace here. Aren't you two just the cutest little things? Yes, you are. I could stay here forever. Aren't they just adorable? This is why I love taking care of them so much. A snowy forest holds many secrets, but none so precious as the quiet joy of these. With every fiber of her being, she pushes forward. She won't miss!
The snowy forest was pristine and quiet, but Mira's rhythmic chopping echoed, showcasing her unmatched prowess and survival skills.
Welcome to the end of the line. They call me Mira, and trust me, when I aim, I won't miss. The stage is set, and I never miss. Are you ready for the show?
In the quiet warmth of the firelight, she found true tranquility.
When the beat drops, so do my enemies. You already know the name, I won't miss.
Beneath the armor and the fight, there is only tenderness.